I'm always keeping my eyes open for decor with personality to liven up my home. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this beautiful metal wall planter from All Chic store went beyond my expectations. Not only is it so pleasing to look at, it's also well made and useful. I hung mine right outside my front door with a hardy little plant in it. But as I was putting the plant in there, I realized that this would be an adorable mailbox, or we could hang it indoors to hold decor or important papers. There's so many places you could use this, but in any situation, this adorable box is going to be the focal point. I was very impressed by how durable this is. It's been on my front porch for a while, and I filled it with dirt, water, and a live plant, and it's also withstood several different Ohio weather scenarios, and everything is holding up great. It came nicely packaged and was easy to hang, and the company offers 4 different colors that you can choose from. All of them have the beautiful distressed look that will add a little rustic charm wherever you decide to put it. I think you're going to love this planter as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.